Hello, this is Model Monday episode 21, and here I have Tamiya's 135th scale JagdTiger. So this is the tank destroyer based off of the Tiger 2, as you probably already know. And this kit, I got this for Christmas. I guess it comes with aftermarket Aber products, so a few sheets of photo etch. But anyways, I'm going to be reviewing the Tamiya kit, not the photo etch. Okay, so the box portrays JagdTiger 331. So this is a 2008 release. Tacom recently released one of these, but I've heard it has some issues. So I'm glad that I got this for Christmas. So here's the side. And of course it would be helpful if you spoke Japanese. Alright, now onto the kit. First, the lower hull, bathtub style hull. Not any texture there, but very nice details. Rivets. The upper hull, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Little bit of a texture there. Always can add more with putty. The weld seams are nicely detailed, but I don't think they're deep enough on all over the kit. Cast texture, weld seams, flame cut marks. Same thing there. Next for the tracks. So it comes with two of these sprues for the link and length tracks. And some other parts on there. And then it also comes with these two rubber tracks, which are nicely detailed and do not appear to have any locating pin marks that I can see. They look very nice. Continuing down with the lower areas, here we have two sprues for the running gear and similar to that. Suspension arms. Idler wheels right here. All those wheels, a lot of them. Wheel caps. So two of these. Next, the upper plate, nice texture there, and on the back plate as well. Here are the front ends. There doesn't appear to be any flame cut marks. Definitely something you can add. Roof, side skirts, tow rope, etc. Then the last sprue, that massive 128mm barrel, exhaust. So this comes with a partial interior. I'll show you a picture later. Just the gun area, not the driver's section. MG ports. Very nice detail on everything. Next, the kit comes with these grills, photo etch grills. Nice there. And then the MG34 or 42 crosshairs. The decals, not much here. 331, 323, 332, 114, 131, and then crosses. Interesting. This is for the photo etch, and then for the painting and marking guide. There are, I believe, 5 examples in here, all of them from January to March 1945, There were a total of, I think, 70 some vehicles of these. There are 5 different ones you can choose from here. All very similar. And then here you can see what I was talking about, the interior. It does come with a partial interior. You can see some of the shells, the breech, etc. Now for the instructions. As usual, lower hull, wheels. It does come with poly caps for in between the wheels. There's a lot of those. Suspension arms. For if you want to do the Lincoln length tracks, that's the option here. Continuing on to the rear of the hull, the back plate. Then the gun and the gun breech, that's a massive gun. Then putting together the interior. Here attaching the upper hull to the lower hull, or starting in the lower hull rather, and then adding the tiny minor details that there are in the driver's area. Now attaching the upper hull to the lower hull. Roof details. Adding the gun mantlet. Spare tracks. Adding the fenders, and then adding the optional MG thing on the back for anti-air. So this kit came with some Aber photo etch. I guess I might as well just show that here. Here are the instructions for that. Not much to see there. Just some fenders. And then this other one is taped to the box. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. I also got this real model tracks that I'll be using on this JagdTiger. Definitely looking forward to putting this together. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.